I have had to go back and run the old style machines with the old style controls. Inconvenient. You know, you retain the ability to do it, but getting in the old machine with the cabs are a lot noisier. You have all this stuff in front of you that you're not used to. I prefer the M model grader, I really do. The steering, a little different. That took more getting used to than anything else. The rest of it was really pretty quick. I was able to be productive immediately.
When I first started finishing with it, I loved the visibility, how you can see so much more. Sometimes you get in a situation to where you can't always run a hub off of your toe end, you have to run a hub off your heel end. But then you're in a position to where you can't have your board, you have to have your board right off your rear tire. In an older style it came out, and sometimes you'd have to lean forward and look at it and see if you're running the hub right. This one you just you can put it right there and you can see the material being delivered, how much you're cutting, and the visibility is very, very nice. The 140 M2 has quite a bit of power. I mean, it's got VHP. I like how you can adjust your hydraulic functions from fine, coarse, medium. You know, say you're chasing scrapers, you want it on coarse, you want it real fast because you can go up, and finishing, you kind of want it slow, real slow, so bump it here, bump it there.
I've noticed a little bit of difference. The H is, you know, when you're finishing something real critical, airport runway or something like that where you have really tight tolerances. The hydraulics are a little less responsive than the M's, and you tend to be tensed up. So at the end of the day, you know, you get pretty tired just from being ready to make any little correction. And the M model grader, you can run it a little more relaxed. So you're going to not be quite as knotted up at the end of the day with the M as you would the H. It's been a great machine, absolutely no problems, very dependable. The best thing about it is it's really, really quiet and comfortable in the cab. This is the 5th cat grader that I've owned, and I do really by-the-book maintenance and take really good care of them, and the resale has always been great. If you compare it to other machines, the other manufacturers, there is no comparison, because the resale that I've gotten out of the previous 4 graders has been, I'm tickled to death. It's been really good. The dealer is able to sell them before they get them. Whenever we start to talk about making a deal, they get that grader of mine sold before it hits their yard. And so that's good for me, for sure.